Hi, welcome to Orchids 365. I'm really excited to start off the month of September by showing you everything that was in bud in my last blooming video, because I have some orchids that I had never seen bloom before and some really rare ones that you're probably not used to seeing very often. And they're almost all growing in my pots, so that makes me extra excited. So let's go check them out. Right, before we go to the special blooms, this is my Tango Fire, and what happened with this poor baby is when I was moving them around to do this pergola, I forgot about her and she wasn't getting enough light. As soon as I put her back in her favorite spot, I started getting flowers again. This never gets old, guys, because it has that very deep red and then it has that kind of like pink on the lip. I love her, and she, as you can see from all the dry spikes, is a all year long bloomer. Very, very reliable bloomer. Not a finicky vanda at all. Hello, this is Roxy from Orchids 365. Welcome back to my garden. Earlier in August, I did a What's in Bloom video, and I had so many things in bud that are open now. Before the heavy rains do away with this, I have to show you because we have a lot of rain coming up. But Princess Clementine did not disappoint. Look at the size of this flower, you guys. Oh my gosh, is this, I can't like, and it's fragrant too, by the way. And I was expecting a little more freckles. See, it has freckles. I thought it was gonna be a little more spotted, but I mean, I can't get mad at it. And look how it has grown. Look at that. I mean, it's very, like, I don't know how to explain it. When you grow something from seedling and you get your first bloom, it's like your baby. Look at this. Oh, I was like, I have to. And I think Hidden Gold was in bud, but it already changed to its final form, which is like a, looking like a yellow, because it goes from red to orange to yellow. But this one blooms all the time, but this one is the first timer for me. And oh my goodness, I am loving it. Another thing I wanted to show you, well, this one's still in bud, is that the one that I bought earlier when I went shopping with my friends on Banjong is already in spike again. I was told that it would bloom year long, so I'm excited about that. I have an orchid there that fell with the wind and it broke that stalk, so I have to, oh my gosh, poor thing. I'm telling you, the storms have been crazy. I have to show you something else that is blooming. This fell over. Yeah, this is after another stormy night, guys. We've gotten so much rain here, it's ridiculous. Okay, let me go show you the other orchid. Ay, Julio, I just let him out and he like nicked his nose with something and he won't let me touch it, so I have to clean him up. I don't know what he did. It's okay, baby, it's okay. Oh my gosh, this is another one that I grew and it's fragrant, beautiful, and I got all the spots. I got it's just amazing. The bugs are no joke with all this rain. So okay, so let me show you the ID. Oh my gosh, she's so fragrant, especially now in the morning. Very, very fragrant. I put her here. She goes all the way back there, but I put her here because, I mean, I come to this part of the yard more often, not in the very end, and I'm like, why am I gonna miss this? I'm gonna enjoy these flowers as much as I can. In fact, I was thinking of taking it in so she can last even longer and I could, but I'm not sure. Holy burger. Let me see if anything else is new back there. Are you ready for this showstopper? Oh my goodness. Such a beauty, never disappoints. Lives up to her name. This beauty, African beauty. I'm gonna put the proper ID there on the screen for you. She was in bud when I did the August blooms video and is full bloom right now. I grew this from division from my friend Maria. She has a beautiful big specimen, and the division has grown into this beautiful, tall, prolific plant that always flowers, and it also is fragrant. You hear the rooster in the background? How fun. I have another beauty that just opened like yesterday or this morning. Look at this. This I also grew from division, a division that I bought at Palmer's a few years ago. So she is very pretty. She seems to have one of the parents of that other red one. See the sagaric wax? Which I think gives it those thick, almost waxy flowers. I haven't detected a fragrance yet, pardon me. But man, I was like, I have to do at least a mini video to follow up on these buds, because my, I'm dealing with these beauties. So she's right there. The other one's right there. You guys, I took out 5 bags of mango tree leaves the other day, and I already see that I can fill another bag. But the shade that she gives me on the fruit, totally worth it. Julio almost landed on my head. Okay, sorry about that. I probably like, oof. Okay, there was something else. These guys are loading, and this is gonna be a show. Gyrac Cosmos. Look at the spotting, you guys, on those buttons. Woo. I cannot wait to see that. And I cannot wait to get out here and repot and do things. And feels like it's either 104 degrees or it's thundering and storming, guys. There's no in between. This weather has been insane. Insane. But these plants, they're really toughing it out. Really toughing it out. Drum roll. I brought her out here just to show her off to you. Probably one of my very favorites, and very finicky to grow. However, my rootsy pot has become her happy place, and I'm obsessed with this flower, you guys. It's just lovely. As always, thank you for your support. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna put the dates of the shows there. And always remember to please be kind.